Hello. First, let me introduce myself. I am Komal Sudan from Biotech first year. Before starting the presentation, I would like to thank our course instructor, Dr. Prashant Bakshi, who is helping us a lot to provide the best education during this lockdown period. Today, I am here to talk about the crop production technology of lychee. Let me start with introduction. Lychee is a native fruit of warm subtropic zone of China having juice of excellent quality. The fruits are a rich source of sugar, protein, fat, minerals like calcium, phosphorus and vitamins like vitamin C, vitamin B1, B2 and B3. The fleshy aril surrounding the seed is the edible portion. China, Taiwan, Thailand, India, South Africa and Australia are the main lychee growing countries. Health benefits of lychee fruit. Lychee contains good amount of antioxidant, vitamin C, vitamin B complex and phytonutrient flavonoids. Lychee is a rich source of nutrient that is required for production of blood. It provides manganese, magnesium, copper, iron and folate that are required for the formation of RBC. It contains good amount of fiber and vitamin B complex which increases the metabolism of fat, protein and carbohydrate. It is also effective to protect from asthma. Lychee contains high amount of dietary fiber which proves the best nutrient that promote cardiovascular health. Area and geographical distribution. Fruit reached in India in 17th century. Largest producer of lychee in the world is China and second is India. In India, Bihar is the largest producer of lychee. Area, production and productivity of lychee in different states of India during 2013-2014. Botanical description. Lychee is the most important subtropical evergreen fruit tree. Botanically, it is known as Lychee chianensis. It belongs to Sapindaceae family. It is originally from South China. The related species of lychee are rambutan and longan. Climate requirements. A warm subtropical climate is ideal for the growth and flowering in lychee. The winter should be cool as well as dry and devoid of frost. This should be followed by fairly long hot climate with light rainfall during flowering and then by high temperature during fruit set with medium humidity. Soil requirements. An alluvial soil with good drainage and easy access to the water table is best for the growth of lychee. The soil pH should be around 5.5. A large number of varieties of lychee are grown in different parts of India. State-wise commercially grown varieties are given in the table. Some exotic varieties of lychee are Hakip. It is commercial cultivar of Thailand, Taiwan and China. Taisu. It is commercial cultivar of Australia, Queensland and South Africa. Weichi. It is cultivated in China and Australia. Propagation. Seed propagated 7 to 12 years for bearing. Air layering is the most common and easiest method of propagation. It is usually done in the beginning of monsoon. Cultivation. Planting time August to September. Square system of planting is usually followed. Spacing 10 meter both between plants and rows. 8 meter when the climate is comparatively dry and soil is not so fertile. Pitch size is 1 meter into 1 meter into 1 meter. Filling of pits. Pits are left undisturbed initially for a period of 15 to 20 days. Filled with top soil mixed with FYM, bone meal, sulfate and potash. A basket of soil taken from old lychee orchard is added to each pit to ensure mycorrhizal association with lychee roots. Pits are then watered so that the soil settles down. Manure and fertilizer application given in the table. Irrigation, drippers or micro sprinklers. Weed is controlled by mulching, chipping, mixed cropping, intercropping and spot spraying with herbicides. Training, making a good shape and strong framework by removing dead and diseased branch and shoot. Pruning improves the yield and quality of fruits. Girdling, the Indian farmer may girdle the branches or trunk of his lychee trees in September to enhance flowering and fruiting. Yield and storage, 80 to 150 kilogram fruits per tree. Storage temperature is 0 to 1 degree Celsius. Storage life is 3 to 4 weeks. Grade used in lychee are extra class, grade 1 and grade 2. Pests of lychee: fruit fly, fruit borer, eriophyte mite, bark eating caterpillar and red rust. Their causal organisms, symptoms and managements are given in the table. Physiological disorders of lychee: first, little leaf caused by zinc deficiency. Second, fruit crack which is caused by excess water with high temperature. Third, chicken tongue caused by embryo abortion. And last, sunburn which is caused by direct exposure of sunlight. I'd like to recap some important points. The scientific name of lychee is Lychee chianensis. Botanically, it belongs to Sapintiaceae family. The edible part of lychee is fleshy aril. Usually about 80 to 150 kilogram fruit per tree is obtained from 14 to 16 years old tree. China is the biggest producer of lychee in the world and Bihar is the largest producer of lychee in India. National Research Center for Lychee in India is at Muzaffarpur, Bihar. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.